In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Obsidian. Tags are one of the simplest ways to bring order to a growing note collection. Think of them as lightweight labels you can attach to any note so you can quickly group related ideas, surface themes, and filter what you need without shuffling files around. Start by opening a note inside your Obsidian vault. Your vault is your workspace, the home for all your notes. With a note open, place your cursor where you want a tag to appear. To add one, type the pound symbol, the hashtag, followed by a short tag name like #work or #SAR ideas. That hashtag turns the word into a tag Obsidian can recognize. Keep tag names clean and simple. Avoid spaces so they stay as a single, clickable label. If you need more than one word, join them together in a readable way. You can add multiple tags in the same note to capture different angles. For example, a note could be labeled #work and #ideas at the same time, helping it appear in more than one group when you filter later. Tags can live anywhere in the note body. Many people like placing them at the very top or bottom so they're easy to spot, but the exact location is up to you. The important part is that each tag starts with a hashtag and clearly reflects what the note is about. After you add your tags, save the note. Obsidian typically saves changes automatically, so a brief pause is often all that's needed. The goal is simply to make sure those new tags are stored with the note. Now, put your tags to work. Click any tag you see in a note, and Obsidian will show you other notes that share that same label. This gives you an instant, filtered view of related content, turning a scattered vault into a set of meaningful collections. It's a fast way to jump between notes that belong together, whether you're reviewing tasks, exploring ideas, or organizing research. Finally, use tags consistently so your vault stays organized and searchable over time. Pick clear, memorable names and stick with them. Decide whether you prefer singular or plural and keep it consistent. Keep tags concise and descriptive so you aren't tempted to create too many near duplicates. The more predictable your tags are, the more reliable your filtered views become. That's all there is to it. Open a note, add hashtags for your labels, save, click tags to explore related notes, and keep your naming consistent. With just these basics, tags can make navigating your notes faster, clearer, and far more enjoyable.